Hello everyone, this is my review of the Komelon self-locking tape measure. This tape measure has a nice rubbery feel to it, so it feels good in your hand. It has a clip on there so you can hook it to your belt or to your pants, whatever. The self-locking feature is what's really nice about this tape measure. I'm going to show you that as soon as you pull it out, it locks, so you don't have to worry about it retracting automatically or having to hold it out. And you just press the button and it goes right back in. And as soon as you take it out, it just locks. So I like that. And you can have it hold your measurement for you as well, and don't have to worry about losing your measurement until you press the button as well. And it has I recommend this tape measure, and I hope this review helps.